Our DNA holds 14 generations of lineage. How does that relate to our past lives? Great question. Let's unpack this. So I'm going to do my best to explain this, but let's just start with the basics. So our DNA that's in the physical form holds 14 generations of information, like a storage facility. Our past lives are connected to, let's say, an IP address or a frequency signature or sonic fingerprint, whatever you want to say, that has been experiencing itself in different coordinates of time, realities. Those lives get recorded in various data points or stamps of time in nodal points used and referenced in torsion field physics, for example. Torsion field physics is essentially how patterned information is held in a torsion field. We are torsion fields, dielectric, electromagnetic. When you unravel that torsion, when you unravel that information, more information presents itself, or more codes, more data. So if you think about your lives, your past lives essentially are all happening at the same time. Okay, this is where parallel universes come into play. They're all happening at the same time in a different point in time, in space-time, different coordinates. The caveat to this is that your awareness is in this particular moment of time, in this linear construct of this particular moment that you chose to log in to this particular reality. More in the mechanics, you are light. Just wrote about this on Flirting with Infinity on my Substack. You're light refracting itself in different points in time. I know this gets a little crazy, but your soul is non-local awareness experiencing itself. Your non-local awareness logs in to experience itself in a skin suit. That skin suit is predicated by what is being held in the records of the DNA. That makes sense. That's uploading all of this patterned information that you need to override and become more aware of. So if you think about mummies and you think about fossils, those fossils hold information, right? Your DNA has the records. It holds the information of that particular moment in time. So what does that have to do with past lives? You're living all of this at the same time based on where your awareness is. It's not like all of a sudden you're in the 1800s right now living that life. These are refracted elements of information. Your awareness is on this particular coordinate. So when I actually am in session with you and there's a past life that comes up, it's because it's related to a program you're running. And what will happen is, using torsion field physics, is I will go back to that past life, unwind it, a little reel will start to play, or more patterned information will present itself that is for you to become aware of that you didn't get